Number 1. Which group of horseshoes represents a prime number? Remember, a prime number is a number that has exactly 2 factors. Composite numbers are numbers that have more than 2 factors. So when I look at this, A, there are 9 horseshoes. On B, there are 23 horseshoes. On C, there are 21 horseshoes. And on D, there are 14 horseshoes. So now I have to look at these numbers and figure out which one is the prime number. When I look at A, I know A is composite because 3 times 3 is 9, which means A has factors other than 1 times itself. B is a prime number because the only factors of 23 are 1 times 23. So I know B is prime. C is a composite number. 21 is composite because 3 times 7 is 21. And D is composite because 2 times 7 is 14. So the only prime number is 23, which is B. Number 2. An individual computer lab session at a school is 24 minutes long. On Monday, 313 students each completed a session at the computer lab. What is the total number of minutes that all these students spent in the computer lab on Monday? Alright, so we know that each session at the computer lab is 24 minutes long. We also know that on Monday, 313 students each completed a session at the computer lab. Now the question is, what is the total number of minutes? Minutes will be our label for our answer that all these students spent at the computer lab on Monday. So there's 313 students, and they each spent 24 minutes at the lab. So that's a multiplication problem. 3 times 4 is 12. 1 times 4 is 4 plus the 1 we carried is 5. 3 times 4 is 12. On your second step, don't forget your placeholder. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Then we add 2, 11, 5, and 7. So I get 7,512 minutes. When I look at my answer choice, there is no 7,512 minutes. So that means my answer is either J, not here, or I've made a mistake. So what I'm going to do before I decide to pick J is I'm going to double check myself by doing the problem again, just to be sure that I didn't make a mistake. So 313 times 24. 12. So 1 times 2. And you add 11. I've got the same answer, 7,512 minutes. So that tells me the answer is not here.